Go look over there.
My DS! Oh! DS case! He got me DS!
What?
What?
I did it instead of for DS!
What is
and it
that?
got me.
What is that? What is that?
My body!
Is that Milk-Corn eating strawberries?
Oh! Mama! This is the coolest bike I ever
Be careful.
Yeah, it'll hurt the floor, okay? Hey. No, don't do that, dude.
It'll fall if you
It'll fall.
move that.
It'll fall.
I have to train with this.
Yeah.
Like if I get older, I have to get another one. And
Sister, what's that?